Hey everyone, if Microsoft Excel is running slow in 2026, lagging, freezing, or taking too long to respond, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Excel's slow performance. First, Excel can slow down due to large files, too many formulas, add-ins, or background processes. Identifying the cause helps fix the issue faster. Start with a simple fix. Restart Excel in your computer to clear temporary memory issues. Next, disable unnecessary add-ins. Some add-ins run in the background and slow Excel down. If your file has heavy formulas, switch calculation mode to manual, so Excel won't recalculate everything instantly. Too much formatting can slow Excel. Clear unnecessary colors, borders, and styles to improve performance. Break down complex formulas into smaller parts. Simpler formulas process faster and reduce lag. Close unused applications running in the background. This frees up system memory for Excel. If your data is final, convert formulas to values, so Excel won't keep recalculating them. If you're working with large datasets, use 64-bit Excel. It handles more memory and performs better. Make sure Excel is updated. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. As a last resort, reinstall Microsoft Office. This can fix deep performance issues caused by corrupted files. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Excel's slow performance in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.